This isn't a bird's nest, it's shemai, a dessert we grew up eating in Bangladesh. I'm serving it with ice cream, but you can also have it with whipped cream or Cool Whip, or you can serve traditionally on its own with nuts. This was my first time making shemai. I always saw my mom making it, and it was definitely a very messy business. The texture was also very interesting and very crispy. So I added to a couple tablespoons of ghee and a tablespoon of oil and wait until it's brown. Initially I was afraid that it was too brown, but it turned out that the flavor was very rich and caramelly by toasting it like this in ghee. So I add a little bit of milk first just so it's cooked enough and it's still firm because it cooks in a matter of minutes. Then I'm adding a couple tablespoons of Dano dry cream milk powder, and this also adds a very creamy smell to the shemai. At this point I tried the shemai and the texture seemed a little crispy still and underdone, so I add a little extra milk and coconut flakes. What's not shown on the video is that I added half a cup of brown sugar and a couple of cardamoms and a cinnamon stick for flavor. If you're using white sugar, I would caution on the half a cup and maybe use a little bit less, but it really depends on your taste buds, so keep tasting and seeing if you like it extra sugary or sweet. There you have it, our typical Eid dessert, Jorda Shemai. If you like the milky version better, comment and let me know and I will try to make a recipe on it.